How many family members do you have in your family?
I have 3 family members in my family.
Okay. Whom do you like most?
I like my cat most.
You like your cat.
Yeah.
So you want to say that cat is the another member of your family.
Yeah.
I got it. Okay. So are you Muslim?
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
Okay. So as you are Muslim, I will ask you some questions about Palestine.
Sure.
So do you know Palestine?
Yeah, I know Palestine.
Okay. So what is the situation of Palestine right now?
Well, the current situation of Palestine is very down and sorrowful. We all know that the war between Israel and Palestine had started on 2021 first, and Israel attacked Palestine several times, but Palestine tried to attack them back, but they failed. But currently, 2 days ago, maybe, Palestine launched their first missile and devastated Israel for the first time.
Okay. That's great. So do you like Israel?
No, I don't.
You don't like Israel, right? So as you said that you are Muslim, so if you have chance to have Palestine, so how will you have them?
Unfortunately, I'm Muslim, but I'm from Bangladesh, so I can't go Palestine and fight for them. But I'll pray to Allah to help them.
Okay. So if we see Jews in front of us, what will you do with them?
If we see Jews, we'll definitely kill them.
Okay. So are you killer?
Yeah, I will.
You will be a killer for them.
Yeah, I will be.
Okay, got it. So thank you very much. And who teaches you English?
Sabbir sir teaches English.
Okay. Do you like my teaching?
Yeah, I really like that.
Why? Why do you like my teaching?
He's very good at teaching and he can explain us very well, so we can understand every single word he says and we can learn many things from him.
Do you have any complaint about me?
No, I don't.
You don't have any complaint
No,
about
no.
me?
Honestly,
Okay.
I don't have any complaint about you.
Is it true? Is it true?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay. So do you have any question for me that you want to ask?
Yeah, I have one question.
Okay.
Where's
Tell
your
me.
hidden talent?
What's your?
Hidden talent.
Actually, everyone has their hidden talent.
Yeah.
Actually, I didn't find out what's my hidden talent. Okay. Do you like American food?
Yeah, I do like American food, but I didn't try it.
Okay. So what kind of American food do you like?
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Do you want to visit America?
Yeah, I want to visit America, Canada, and other many countries.
Why?
I do really like their culture. Not exactly their culture. I mean, their lifestyle is very great.
Do you love Bangladesh?
Yeah, I do love Bangladesh.
Okay, so as you love Bangladesh, so why do you want to go abroad, like America?
Just like
Okay,
travel.
thank
Just
you
go to
very
travel.
much, Maisha, for your great attention.